Hoping to generate interest in the animated series, the CBN Superbook team are touring several schools in Indonesia. Its host, Medi, shares with the Indonesian kids some values they can learn from the Bible stories, gives away souvenirs, and treats them to a sneak peek of this extraordinary kids program.
Superbook!
CBN Indonesia Director Mark McClendon says the Superbook broadcast will be historic.
Never before in the history of missions in Indonesia has there been an opportunity like this, where you can present Christ, and you can present Christ in context of the entire Bible, the whole mission of the heart of God.
Tigris, Efrat.
Superbook has been translated into Bahasa, the Indonesian language.
And if I can say, I think that some of the episodes in the Indonesian language, Superbook in the Indonesian language, sounds even better than Superbook in the English language. I mean, it's so cool. And Gizmo lights up in the Indonesian language, and kids just go wild.
It premieres September 14th on MNC TV, Indonesia's third largest network. MNC runs 80% of the country's top children's programs.
It's going to be amazing to see a whole generation of Indonesians, not just Christian Indonesians. You're talking about children across this nation from all religions being able to hear the gospel.
This is the first time that Superbook is being promoted in the schools here in Indonesia. And what's interesting is the very enthusiastic response of the children here. And among the students are Muslims listening and given the opportunity to learn about God's Word in animation.
The Muslim parents say they like their children to learn the values they see in Christian children. They allow their children to study Christian religion because they believe it is just like any other subject.
I believe Superbook will be a door for us to spread the gospel among the children here. Later, perhaps it will grow and then they can believe Jesus.
Kami tidak takut padamu.
Kenapa harus takut?
The students gave their full attention as they watched the first Superbook episode. Not only were they delighted with the state-of-the-art animation, but they were also moved by the story.
I pray that I will not fight anymore with my brother, and I will stop speaking bad words.
I'm excited because I know that kids everywhere are going to be singing, Jesus kau mati di salib. They're going to be singing the salvation poem. They're going to, because Superbook is the seed.
Yesus kau mati di salib, bangkit selamatkan dunia.
Seeds planted in the hearts of children, one day reaping a bountiful harvest in Indonesia. Lucille Telusan, CBN News, Jakarta.